quickly as we go. Frisk, do that cute thing where you, whilst Kara is occupied reading this, come from behind and snuggle her hair, and in doing so, also lean over so the first thing Kara spots when she looks up is you. Psst, use both eyes.
She smells really nice today.
Give us a kiss, will ya? It's been a while. Hello?
Frisk, have you ever thought of using some chocolate lipstick? Wink, wink.
Hold still. Kara, what do you think of Frisk's butt? Hella fine.
Can you draw Kara and Frisk with cat ears? Country.
I think they meant both of us in cat ears. But I ain't putting on that gay shit. Kara, make the cutest face possible. Frisk, make the scariest face possible.
Grrr. Everybody do the flop.
Everybody do the flop!
What even?
Places a sharp, unused kitchen knife in front of Kara. Care to make a dare? It's a knife. You use it for preparing stuff. It's usually food, but...